So we've got the revive. Step number 1, we're going to do all 3 steps on this table. I'll speed this up in a second because real time you'd be here for about an hour. Revive, restore and replenish. We're going to do all 3 on this table. Just working the fine wire wool in with the reviver. Oh, I'm just showing about the same time. This bit, maybe you can see here. Okay, so you just got to keep on rubbing because you want the reviver to slowly just, it's not burning through, but it's just getting through that top layer and getting some nice colour and feel back in. Rather frustrating, the mic broke. So step 2 is the restore. So we've poured the restore bottle into a tub and we've got the fad that's supplied, and look, you're just going to go nice lines, nice and steady like that, and that's going to really bring out all the work you just did in step 1. And you can do the same on the base. Look, now you can just pick out all the nice places where you've just been working. And the mic should come back on in just a second, and then we can catch up with what is going on in this video. Unbelievable. So you see, you can just see it as you move it. It just nicely adds a bit of polish on there. I've no idea where that camera angle's any good. This is such a load of shit. So this, I shellacked this last thing yesterday you saw in stage 2, and then I had to go because the mic broke and I couldn't be bothered doing anything else. So I've left that overnight, so it's nicely dried and it's got a beautiful colour, but it is a bit shiny. So if you do like it as it is, leave it. If you want a high build, you know, there's no rules, but I'm just going to show you the Replenish, which is the wax. So what I've done is I've put mine in some lukewarm water. Well, actually, I've boiled a kettle, like that, and I've left the wax in the water for 15 minutes or so, and so it's gone nice and soft. Now you'll have some fine wire wool in your kit, so you're going to get the fine wire wool. Like, this is our trick for just making a nice satin finish, and we're just going to dot the wax like this. Okay, so it's got a nice little amount on, and then really lightly we're just going to rub with the grain. Okay, I'm sort of doing little figure of 8s really, but really slightly, and then just to work the wax in. It's really light, you're not pressing on hard at all, and then I'm just finishing in straight lines there like this, and I'm just going to turn the piece of wire wool over and just give that a little go like this, and it just takes off that boiled sweet effect. And if you've left any sort of lines, or it's your first time doing it and you think you've got an even top, what it does, it gives you a really nice even. Tell you what, I'll just bring the mountains to Mohammed. Do you see we've got a nice satin finish, rather than it's still got loads of detail on it. Looks like a nice period top. It's just, and then on the side, look, obviously on the base, you can just do the same. Like, it's very shiny, a bit like a boiled sweet. And again, I'm just tapping all over with the wax, and then I'm just gonna go with the turns there. It's nice, it's immediate. You can just see it just taking off the edge, and it just takes it back down, shows the age of what you're working on, and you've got a dramatically improved piece of furniture. From a sun-bleached, faded, awful, worn, tired piece, you end up with a lovely period piece that looks within keeping. 3 easy steps in my kit.
you see, it's just not as shiny. It's just got a nice period finish. Don't worry about the underneath. That's a real mess. But do you see, nice, rather than just super shiny like this. That's too shiny. This is nice. You just got a nice proper period finish. And they're and they're the 3 steps. So step 1, step 2, and step 3, they're all in the kit. Kit's still at £49, so great for Father's Day, Mother's Day, whoever's day, birthday, any day, every day. Loads of good customer feedback. People sending the before and afters through. Just follow the kit. It's not a miracle kit. You know, some people are saying it is, but it's not a miracle kit. It's not going to remove every mark in the world. It's not meant to. It's meant to just dramatically improve. It's to revive and replenish and restore a piece of furniture using old-fashioned methods, old-fashioned recipes. And it's good for you, something nice to do. And you can use my kit. There's no colours in any of the polishes. So if you've got a mid-century piece, a new piece, pine piece, rosewood piece, doesn't matter what the piece is, the kit will do it on all those pieces. So that's it. I'll do another vid soon, and hopefully you liked that vid, and hopefully the mic's worked. Okay.